Exploring idioms, taking sides in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, take sides. So, get ready to add another expression to your growing English repertoire. The phrase, take sides, means to support one person or group in an argument or dispute, rather than remaining neutral. It's like drawing a line in the sand and standing firmly on one side of it. This idiom is often used when discussing conflicts, be they small disagreements or large-scale debates. It's always fascinating to learn where these expressions come from. The idiom, take sides, has been used for centuries and is thought to originate from military contexts, where literally taking one's position on a side for battle was a matter of life and death. Let's put our idiom into action. For example, you might hear someone say, during the debate, I felt I had to take sides to support my friend's argument. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal discussions. Imagine you're at a family dinner where a debate starts about a recent movie. If you take sides, you're choosing to agree with the person or group who has a particular opinion about that movie. There are several synonyms for take sides. Some include align with, support, or back. However, each of these carries subtle differences and connotations, so choose wisely based on the situation. And that's a wrap on Take Sides. Remember, idioms are a great way to spice up your language and sound more like a native speaker. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using this phrase. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.